Hi guys, today we will explain about how to enable dark mode in Threads app. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing you have to do is open your Thread application, and once it will be open, take a look on the right bottom. You will see your profile icon. Just tap on it. After tapping on your profile icon, take a look on the right top. Here you will see two lines. Just tap on these lines. And here you will not find the option of enabling dark mode because Thread does not have any official way by which you can enable dark mode. So how can you do it? For this, you have to enable the dark mode of your mobile phone. And how can you do it? Just swipe up from the top of your mobile screen, and here find dark mode. And here you can see I have dark mode in my mobile phone. So I will tap on it. And you can see by enabling the dark mode of my mobile phone, the Thread application turned into dark mode. And if I go back, now you can see I can use Thread application in dark mode. But what if your phone does not have the dark mode? No need to worry about it. I have a solution for this. I will close the Thread application and I will open the Play Store. In your Google Play Store or Apple Store, you have to search for dark mode. And you can see I already do this. And here are all the applications which can turn the application into dark mode. From this application, you have to download a single application and use it. And it was the way by which you can enable dark mode in Thread application.